Welcome back to my channel. So today I will teach you data entry skills, or I have decided to make a dedicated playlist where I will teach you guys the data entry skills, freelancing, office skills. Actually, I have started because when you will join a company, or when you will start your career in freelancing, then you should also aware of the office skills as well. So I will teach you guys office skills uh, from basic to advanced, where I will teach you how to edit online PDF, how to convert, how to merge multiple pages, everything. So we are using in the freelancing, so I will teach you guys. Okay, so when you will join a company, or when you will start your career in freelancing, then would be easy step for you. So my today's value would be just introductory. Or okay, this would be just introductory. So when you will open your Gmail, like just click on these things. So these are the free tools you can use in office. Okay, so like this one, this is a separate sheet. You may, so yeah, its functionality is like Excel. So this is totally free, and you can use, you can save your data. So nowadays everyone has data connection, so easily they can save their anything you can save here. Okay, so so my today's video was just about introduction of data entry. So you can put things here, and you can apply formulas and everything. So I will teach you everything step by step. So this was just an introduction of my today's lecture. So I will make a dedicated playlist where I will teach office skills. I'm also doing freelancing, and I'm using these skills. I'm doing USA medical billing, so we are using separate sheets, everything. So I will teach you online edits, PDF edits, how to merge many pages, how to convert PDF to CSV or anything. So I will teach you everything. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.